Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Crow Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets and why did we correct. Before we begin, I hope that you are having a fantastic day wherever you are, and let's go right now to analyze Crow against USDT and Crow against Bitcoin chart. Right here, what we had is a bearish pennant. Bearish pennants come after a downfall, after a correction mode. You can see that we had lower highs in the price and higher lows. Okay, so the lower highs and the higher lows are forming a triangle in which if we go down, then probably this is a bearish pennant. What can happen though sometimes it is that we fall down and we have a fake out. Therefore, we are going all the way up next. But we are not losing so much. Okay, if it was a fake out, then we wouldn't be losing so much in the price. This is not a fake out. And Crow went all the way down. Of course, after a crazy pump that it had on November, it has to correct. And it is very normal to correct from now on. Crow against USDT on the daily frame lost the bottom trend line. You can see bearish pennant. We are going all the way down, and right now what do we have is that we have this bottom trend line as our top trend line right now, which means that if we are going to get even higher, we should be stopping at this line right here instead. Okay, so this is bad for Crow in general and for the midterm. What I would suggest you to do is if you've bought, for example, at this top, then hold it and forget about it. Okay, because yes, it can go. It is a nice project with a nice, pretty nice marketing team behind the strongest, one of the strongest, I would say, behind this crypto. And of course, it will go higher. But at the end of the day, what I want to tell you to is that we are not ready yet to climb back up to 1 USDT. Okay, it will take so much time until we go even higher. For now, let's go to Crow against Bitcoin chart. The same happened with Crow against BTC. You can see the lower highs and the higher lows, and therefore we lost the momentum, correcting all the way down, losing the support level. And on 1st May, we had the crazy correction of -12 and then of another -12%. So in total, we lost more than 30%. Can you see that from this top right here all the way down? It is actually 30%. Okay, we lost 30% of our valuation for Crow against Bitcoin chart. This is totally bad. Now, what can we do for Crow against Bitcoin chart? Is this the end, or can we have a little bit of a buying pressure? What I think about it for now is that we are having and we are going to have this line as a resistance level, the 0.50835. And therefore, once we go up there, then we are going all the way down into the lower levels, the 0.50591. Okay, so right there, this is our major support level. Let's find it out. Okay, here you are, 0.50593. Okay, so Crow against Bitcoin chart is not looking good. And for the next days, we are going to have lower lows and lower highs. Of course, a minor pump could be the case. However, right now, we keep finding rejection on the 20-day MA. We are in a huge correction mode, and this is not a buying entry at all. Let's go back to Crow against USDT chart. Do we have any reasons to believe that we might be getting even higher? Maybe, especially if Bitcoin is going to go upwards. Okay, if we are going to get higher into the higher levels, then I would say that we are going towards the 0.43 on around 27 June to July. Okay, this would be my date for Crow. If we are about to get there, we would go around 27 June to July. Alright, so therefore 0.43, 0.45 is our major resistance level for now on. For the next time though, what are we having as major resistance levels are the 0.34 and of course the 20-day MA, which I do not know where it will go. It is probably going to go down from the 0.40. So for now we have a very strong resistance level at 0.34. Okay, if we go to the lower time frames right here, you will realize something, that we are on a clear downtrend and we do not have what it takes for now to make a breakout. This case right here means that we are probably going to go further lower. Okay, maybe we achieve the 0.32 maybe before we go down. But anyway, let's go to the daily frame as well and have a more short-term Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom. You can see the 0.32 that we called is indeed the major resistance level for now, and the 0.35. If we can break above and close above the 0.3189, then we will be going to 0.35. However, for now, Crow is in a deep consolidation period and I do not think that it will survive it. Okay, and you can see why, because in just 1 month, we went up 226.52%. This is crazy, and of course, this means that we should be having, for example, for Crow against USDT on the monthly frame, we should be correcting. And even more, you can see here a very, very nice ascending triangle, crazy on the monthly frame, right? Look at that. Look at how beautifully had been formed back here. Ascending triangle on the monthly frame, we went up all the way. Then though, we are having many, many bearish situations and we do not have Crow as a buying entry. Instead, I believe that Crow could even get to 0.2059 to 0.21, which will be a good buying entry as we are going to get there. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon/mindyoncrypto, and of course see you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.